Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to part 4 of Learn Prompt Engineering and Advanced ChatGPT course, and in this video I'm going to teach you ChatGPT's contextual adaptability in communications. So friends, basically ChatGPT utilize additional context that we provide to it to generate outputs. Like for example, if you want to ask it to write resume for you, you can provide it the context, like for what purpose you are applying, what are your expertise, or you can also ask ChatGPT to write a press release. Obviously, you have to provide the context, means scenario, and it can generate text for press release. So let's see it in a demo. Okay, first of all, I will type here a new company called Duger, not Uber, but Duger. And we are supposing that this company will provide pick and drop services to animals. Has invented a ride sharing app for pets that features a social network. The company has secured a large initial investment of an undisclosed amount from a famous investor. Okay, we have provided the context. Now let me type here, write a press release emphasizing how it's going to change the market. Let me press enter, and here you can see that for immediate release, introduction Duger, the revolutionary pet ride sharing app with social network twist. Obviously here will be our city and date. You can write here because we do not provide context. If you will provide this in a context that the press release will be released on that specific date, obviously ChatGPT will write that for you. Duger, a groundbreaking new company, is positioned to transform the pet transportation industry with the launch of its innovative ride-sharing app and social network platform. We know that this is fictional, but still you can see that it is generating the press release for us. Backed by substantial investment from a renowned investor, Duger is set to disrupt the market and provide unparalleled convenience and connectivity for pet owners. And here you can see that you can further read on. It have also provide me key features of the Duger app that include pet-friendly rides, real-time tracking, social networking. Friends, you can see that we do not provide all of this stuff in our context, but still the context that we have provided, it can understand that context. And obviously this is trained on a large amount of data available before 2022, and it is using that data. Maybe it have learned from thousands or millions of press releases that are already on the internet. And now you can see that by learning through data and by using our context, it is writing a press release for ourselves. Now let me type here another thing, like show me what the perfect resume for a product manager who applies to Duger looks like. Someone applies in this company, someone want to apply in this company, and I'm asking ChatGPT to write resume who is applying in this fictional company. So let me press enter, and here you can see that it is providing me the space to type my name, address, phone number, this type of my personal information. And objective, dynamic and results driven product manager with a proven track record of successfully launching and managing innovative products, excited to leverage my skills and experience to drive growth and innovation at Duger. And professional experience, here you can see that it is generated a professional experience for me, led cross-functional teams in the development and launch of here it is telling me that I can mention a successful product or feature that I have already, in my experience, acted as liaison between stakeholders and development teams, facilitating communication and driving consensus product requirements. So friends, you can see that it is education, obviously, and skills, agile development methodologies, user experience designs. So friends, you can see that all this stuff is provided to me. And if we will provide more context about ourselves, for example, we are going to apply a company. What you can do, you can write about company, that on which technologies they are working and what are their goals and what investment they has raised, in which country they are working. And obviously you can provide your personal experience as a context. For example, in which companies I have worked previously, what is my education, how I solve people's problem. So if you will provide all this stuff as a context and then ask it to write a resume, believe me, it will write amazing and helpful resume for you. Obviously, you can customize that content later. So this is the method to get help from these AI tools. This is the stuff that we actually have to learn so we can get benefit from these large language models. Next, friends, ChatGPT is also capable of responding to negative situations by acknowledging the issues, and it can suggest solutions. For example, in our case, let me type here like rewrite the press release above. Unfortunately, a massive issue has arisen and the public is losing faith in Duggar due to its social media recommendation algorithm claiming their negative impact on mental health. The press release should acknowledge this reality while providing the public with comfort in the knowledge that a solution is being found. Let me press enter, and now you can see that for immediate release, Duggar, the pioneering pet ride sharing app and social network platform, acknowledged recent concerns regarding the potential negative impact of its social media recommendation algorithm on mental health. As a company deeply committed to the well-being on both pets and their owners, Duggar takes these concerns seriously and is taking proactive steps to address them. So friends, now we can see that it can handle that negative situation, and it again generate a press release to tell the people that we are working to fix these stuff. So friends, this was the example that how ChatGPT can use additional context to generate outputs. Hit the like button if video was helpful. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.